Good morning to all. As per our previous discussion, we are discussing about the various types of mixers. So this mixture is used in a viscous liquid as well as plastic meshes. Okay, so that means ये जो मिक्सर है उसे हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं with a heavy viscous material or a plastic material mixing. Okay, for example, viscous liquid like that resins, amino resins, alkaline resins, which having a percentage of solid content which is very high. ओके, तो ऐसे मटेरियल को अगर हमें मिक्स करना है तो हमें यूज़ करना होगा, तो हमें इस टाइप का मिक्सर यूज़ करना होगा. सो प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने सिग्मा मिक्सचर और नीडिंग मशीन दैट कॉल्स डबल आर्म नीडर्स के बारे में हमने डिस्कशन किया था. ओके ना, सो in which we are using different types of blade like a sigma blade, dispersion blade, double Neben blade. Okay, so these are the sigma or double arm mixer. Then today's topic is about the ribbon blenders. Okay, so blenders we can see in this picture. So ribbon blender is exactly ribbon blender mix solid by mechanical shuffling and are used to handle dry powders. Ribbon blender mix solid by mechanical shuffling and are used to handle dry powders, which is used for the dry powders. Okay, and सबसे पहले रिबन ब्लेंडर मिक्सर છે એ શામાં યુઝ થાય છે? મિક્સર it is used by the solid powders, handling the solid powders. Next, ribbon blender consists of a horizontal semi-cylindrical through incorporating a central shaft and a helical ribbon agitator. એઝ પર વી શો ઇન ફિગર કે એના અંદર શું હોય છે? હેલિકલ કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન હોય છે, બરાબર, હેલિકલ રિબન. So we see that there is a cylindrical horizontal cylindrical casing which having a cylindrical and central shaft is mounted in which, and there the mounted shaft is connected to the bearing box, and bearing box is connected to the power transmission pulley. Okay, and exactly the construction is like that, helical. Okay, so helical, that means the we see that here the helical formation is created. Okay, and the side view is also given that, and this one is a support for the entire mixture. And so it will be shown in the figure, and in this mixture two counteracting ribbons are mounted on the same shaft. બરાબર, જે આ બંને છે એ શું છે? કાઉન્ટર કરંટ ડાયરેક્શનની અંદર બંને એકબીજાથી ઓપોઝાઇટ છે, બરાબર, કાઉન્ટર કરંટ ડાયરેક્શનની અંદર. while the other one moves the solid quickly in the other directions, and the ribbons may be continuous or discontinuous. This one is either they are working on the basis of continuous operation as well as discontinuous. And mixing place due to the turbulence generated by counteracting ribbons and only by the motion of the solid through that means material equipments wall. Ribbon bender are used for a batch as well as continuous. In batch operated ribbon blenders and solid are charged in the mix in the satisfactory and discharge from the bottom. discharge ક્યાંથી કરવામાં આવે છે? બોટમમાંથી discharge કરવામાં આવે છે. In continuously operated unit, the solid are fed from the one end and through, and the discharge from the other end. So the path of the feed, discharge end and solid are mixed. For a light duty through, may be open lightly covered, while for the operation under the pressure vacuum the through is closed and heavy walled. એટલે કે જ્યારે લાઇટ વેઇટેડ મટીરિયલ હોય એન્ડ then after uh, operation under vacuum condition, operation should be operated in the vacuum condition. So there are the machine, sorry, the casing should be closed, and then it will be operation under the vacuum. So the through is closed and the heavy walled by using the heavy walled. Ribbon blender are very effective for handling thin paste and dry powders, so that do not flow easily. Bunbury mixer is the next type of the mixer. So we can see that a Bunbury mixer. Bunbury mixer is the most common internal mixer. It is a heavy duty machine with two blades, each rotating a cylindrical seat. કેવું છે, સિલિન્ડ્રિકલ શેપની અંદર ફરતું, બરાબર, અને ઇન્ટરનલી મિક્સ અંદર ને અંદર જ બંને એકબીજા સાથે ઇન્ટરનલી મૂવિંગ ડિવાઇસ છે. And this one is a heavy duty machines, and it consists of a two blade, each rotating in cylindrical seat. બંને cylindrical seat ની અંદર રોટેટ થતા હોય છે. ઓકે, now but this cylinder partially intersect with each other in this mixture. The blade is pear shaped, but the projection is spiral along the axis and the two spiral interlock. The machine operates at a speed of 40 rpm or lower. The speed of the generally these machines is likely very low compared to the others. And this separate, there is a projection. It should be in the spiral, and the axis and two spiral interlocks. That means the moving direction is like a spirally, and the machine operates at the speed of 40 rpm or a lower speed. More than 40 rpm we cannot use for this operational. And the clearance distance between the blades and the walls are extremely small, very small distance between the two blades. Okay, it will be very small, and it is here that the mixing action takes place. Why should we kept that so main purpose of that is that the mixing purpose, and mixing will be more critical, more effective. The material is fed from the above and held in the through during the mixing by an air operated piston. Okay, material is fed from the top of the वेसल. जैसे कि हमें ऊपर से पता है, फिगर के अंदर हम देख रहे हैं बनबूरी मिक्सर. तो टॉप में से क्या करते हैं, हम फीड इनलेट करते हैं. ठीक है, सो फीड इज इनलेटिंग फ्रॉम द top of the vessels. Okay, and it will be discharged from the bottom of the uh, internal mixture. The material is fed from the above, and it during the mixing by an air operated piston under pressure. It having a pressure also during the operational. So it will be consumes 1 to 10 kg per centimeter square pressure. We can kept it there. Mixed material is discharged through a heavy sliding door, which is provided at the bottom of the through. The heat generated is taken out by a spraying cooling water on the walls of the mixing chamber. If there is a heat is generated in the mixture, so how it can be removed that? So it can be removed from the generated heat using a कूलिंग वाटर को उसकी वॉल पे हम क्या करेंगे, सप्लाई करेंगे, उसके ऊपर स्प्रे करेंगे. सो मिक्सिंग चैम्बर एंड सर्कुलेटिंग थ्रू the hollow agitator shaft during the operation. And the Bunbury mixture is used mainly in the plastic and rubber industry. This one is used mainly where exactly it will be mainly exactly used in the plastic or rubber industries. So here is the Bunbury mixtures. Okay, you have to remember that main type it is used in plastics and rubber industries. Okay, then next one is that Muller mixture. Muller mixture, it is one of the type of another mixing material. So first we see the figure so that can be understanding more. So this one exactly as per we see that from the top view. So here is the outer flow and bottom one is the inner flow. That means this one is a moving shaft in the direction where the wheels is either they are rotating counter current or counter or clockwise or anti-clockwise. So the moving flows, the direction is similar to the wheels will be ઓપરેટિંગ, એટલે કે જે ડાયરેક્શનની અંદર વ્હીલ ફરશે એ ડાયરેક્શનની અંદર જે ફ્લો છે એ શું કરશે, મૂવ કરશે, બરાબર. અને જેના થકી શું થતું હશે, અહીંયા શું થશે, મિક્સિંગ થશે, બરાબર. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ મેઇન કોન્સેપ્ટ ઓફ ધી મુલર મિક્સર. ઓકે, અને જે આ વ્હીલ છે એની જે એક્ઝિસ છે એના પર શું કરતા હશે, મૂવ કરતા હશે. So mulling is a smearing or matlab smearing, that is sticky material or a rubbing similar to than a mortar and a pestle. That means કે મુલર મિક્સચર્સ છે એ જનરલી છે ને જે મટીરિયલ સ્ટીકી હોય અથવા તો જે મટીરિયલ શું કરતા હોય, રબરી અથવા પ્લાસ્ટિક મેસિસની પ્રોપર્ટીઝ ધરાવતા હોય છે, એના માટે મુલર મિક્સરનો યુઝ થાય છે. મુલર મિક્સર કન્સિસ્ટન્સ ઓફ અ પેન ઇનકોર્પોરેટિંગ અ મુલર વ્હીલ્સ. ઇટ કન્સિસ્ટન્સ ઓફ અ મુલર વ્હીલ્સ. આપણે જોયું એ પ્રમાણે શું હોય છે, મુલર વ્હીલ્સ હોય છે. In one of the designs of Muller mixture, the pan is stationary and the wheels rotate, shown in figure. Pan છે એ શું છે, stationary. In this figure, the pan is, that means the pan is the types of flow. While in other design, the pan is rotated and the axis of wheels held stationary. In the stationary pan Muller mixture, the central vertical staff is driven, causing the Muller wheels to roll on a circular path. એટલે શું થતું હોય છે કે જે મુલર મિક્સરની અંદર છે ને જે રોલિંગ વ્હીલ્સ છે એ કોની સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય છે, શાફ્ટ સાથે. અને શાફ્ટ ક્યાં માઉન્ટેડ હોય છે, શાફ્ટ ઇઝ માઉન્ટેડ ફ્રોમ ધી સેન્ટ્રલી, એન્ડ સેન્ટરથી જે શાફ્ટ છે એ ઇલેક્ટ્રિક મોટર સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય છે ગિયર બોક્સ થ્રુ. ઓકે, અને એની સાથે શું કરેલા હોય છે, ફ્લો શું એડજસ્ટ કરેલા હોય છે ટોપ અને બોટમમાં. Flow directs the solid under the Muller wheels during a mixing or on a operation. The pan flow from the discharge of the mixture at the end of the cycle. That means opening in the pan floor. મટીરિયલ ટોપ ઉપરથી એન્ટર કરવાનું અને ડિસ્ચાર્જ ક્યાંથી કરવાનું હોય છે કે જ્યારે પણ સાયકલ કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે ત્યારે ડિસ્ચાર્જ કરવાનું હોય છે એટ ધ બોટમ ઓફ ધી વેસલ. Muller wheels crush the material, break down lumps and agglomerates. એટલે કે શું કરે છે, મટીરિયલને ક્રશ કરે છે, એને બ્રેકડાઉન કરે છે અને એકદમ શું કરે છે, જે લમ્પ્સ છે એની અંદર એગ્લોમિરેટ્સ છે એને શું કરે છે, કમ્પ્લીટ મિક્સ કરે છે. and the capacity of the Muller mixture range from the cubic meter to more than 1.6 meter cube, and power requirement is 1 by 3 to 75 horsepower. And Muller mixer are used for the handling of heavy solid and pastes. Okay, heavy solids and paste material होते हैं वहाँ पे यूज़ होता है. And these are the also effective in uniformly coating the particles of granular solid with a small amount of liquid. એટલે કે ઓલ્સો જે ગ્રેન્યુલર મટીરિયલ્સ છે, જે ગ્રેન્યુલર ફોર્મના જે સોલિડ છે એવા મટીરિયલના કન્સ્ટ્રક્શનમાં પણ યુઝ કરવામાં, એટલે કે એવા મટીરિયલના મિક્સિંગ પર્પઝમાં પણ યુઝ કરવામાં આવે છે. The next one is tumbling mixers or tumblers that can we be discussing in the next lecture. Okay.